Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SimplyHired, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.simplyhired.com and press enter. Wait for the SimplyHired homepage to load completely. Look for the sign-in link, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign-in link. You will be directed to the sign-in page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. In the first field, enter the email address associated with your SimplyHired account. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully. If you wish to stay signed in on this device, check the box that says Remember Me. Once all fields are filled out, look for the Sign In button. Click the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you're logged in, you can start using SimplyHired to search for jobs or manage your applications. That's it, you're now logged into SimplyHired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.